The question is, can all mosquito species transmit the Zika virus? And if not, why not?
So my name is Matthew Aliota. I'm a research scientist in the Department of Pathobiological Sciences in the School of Veterinary Medicine. Really, my area of expertise is in the transmission dynamics in the mosquito, in the interaction between Zika virus and the mosquito. So not all mosquitoes can transmit Zika virus. And that's the case with any mosquito-borne pathogen. So there's something like 3,000 or so different mosquito species around the world. Really only a handful of those are what we call vectors of pathogens. And so in terms of Zika virus, really with the epidemic, the outbreak in the Americas, we're talking about two different mosquito species, Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus, which have this close association with humans. They feed indoors during the daytime. They like to have their breeding habitat and, well, their immature stages develop around human dwellings, outside of human homes, and in any small amount of water. So they're really, really good in terms of being a transmitter of human pathogens because they have this association with humans. And so in terms of these relationships between, say, a mosquito and a virus, what we're talking about is the mosquito's intrinsic or innate ability to ingest that pathogen, support its development or replication, and then transmit it to a new host. And so if you're talking about a virus, well, really, so like I said, it's complex, but the first site of replication after that mosquito ingests that virus is in the mosquito's midgut, in its stomach, basically. And so lining that gut are a number of receptors, and so it's kind of like a lock and a key. And so the cell on the mosquito's gut has the lock, and the virus needs the specific key to open that lock and get into the cell. As that virus is traveling from midgut to other tissues to the mosquito's salivary gland, there are all of these different anatomical barriers in the mosquito that can, talking about a specific mosquito species, can serve as a point where the virus can no longer move forward. It has to make it to the mosquito's salivary glands, where it then replicates some more. And then actually when a mosquito feeds, when it inserts its mouth parts into a human or animal host, it's not only just ingesting blood, but it's actually spitting into you. And so mosquito spit has a number of different functions, ranging from dampening the immune response to keeping the blood flowing. But if that mosquito is infected with a virus like Zika virus, and it's spitting into you, it's actually spitting saliva as well as virus into you, and that's how you become infected with that virus.